has your art education influenced your work in theatre?
Certainly, what happened, actually all forms of art, whether it is music, painting, other visual arts, sculpture, dance, literature, all, and drama, of course, all basic principles are same, and main thing is rhythm. Theater, particularly proscenium stage, we have a frame like rectangular frame. Okay, we are although it is living art, we see a big frame. The activities are whether it's dance or singing or dialogues or tussle, experimentation is going on the stage in a big frame. Okay, painting also we do in a frame on the canvas or paper. It's like a frame, whether rectangular or square, vertical, or horizontal. Here in painting, drawing, it is static.
Yeah.
Movement is there, but movement in different way. Rhythm is there, different way. But on the stage, continuous acting, dance, music, running, and all these activities are going on with support of the dialogues written by a playwright, directed by a particular director. So actors are doing it with the help of other technicians. So on my work, and if you see world theater,
Yeah.
Theater, Maharashtra theater, Goan theater, if any fine artist is involved or is the director or actor, that production certainly goes up.
Yeah.
It's something different. And I am one of them. Like me, there are in Goa also, there are many, Digambar Simbal, Raju Shinde, then Kirti Kumar Prabhu, Sainath Pate, my son Kalanand Mamolkar, Gavanekar. So many are there. So many examples are there now and before also. So even in Marathi stage, Maharashtra, Damu Gimpe, why that our leading actor Nana Patekar, all they are from art institutions, come out from art institution. Okay, so what happened? The in drama, in a play, on the theater arts, that color plays vital role, very important role. It's movement of the colors actually. Whenever you put on this dress, costumes, it is designed in a particular way, and if it is done by an artist, a painter, it becomes something unique, interesting. It gives visual impact. Visual impact through acting is very important. So light plays important. So setting plays important. They help light also various colors to show particular mood. Okay, that light plays important. Not only music, not only dance, and then the colors of the curtains, background colors, the colors of the setting, and even makeup. All these colors. So it is the color that plays important role, and also lines, forms, straight lines, circular lines, visible line, invisible line, oblique line, straight line, thick line, thin lines, drizzling lines. All these lines are also one of the important, basic important of visual art. Same it is necessary to make a production of drama, production of dance, very viable and visually, which will give theatrical experience, that is aesthetic pleasure. And what we in Indian aesthetic we say is in Saundarya Shastra we say it Brahmanand Sahodan, highest type of delight. That can be derived, and that Rasa Nishpatti, Vibhav, Anubhav, Vyabhichari, Sayogat, Rasa Nishpatti. So Ras Nishpatti, that mood creation is not by the actors or performer, it is also in the audience. Same time, thousands of audience witnessing the play or musical show, they are that Ras Nishpatti, Ras is produced. Okay, that mood is created. Then only it becomes a successful play. In both Western and Indian aesthetic, it is the same thought uh, relevant to art. So, I being a painter, it has helped me a lot in the my theater activities to develop. When I was a teacher, I was doing teaching in the school as an art teacher. That also it helped, and it has helped me to enhance their creativity by showing this. You can see a painting back.
Yes.
There is Indianness both in content and subject and application, that particular profile. It creates a musical. It is based on ragas. Okay, and it is Indian painting. I need not say woman is playing, singing a song, and that mood is shown with the help of colors, and that swar and tal is also shown. So those who understand will understand.
Yeah. Beautiful.
It is not affected, but there is influence of Indian miniatures, and our principal, Mr. Lakshman Pai, also used to do in this style, his initial paintings, that bring Indianness, Bharatiyatva, bring that Indian, it is done. That is one of the reasons. So I think your question is answered. My answer is clear to you.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And all what you have said, we have seen that in your play. Your plays are always reflected.
Yeah.
You have said that, yes.
That's why perhaps people or critics or well-known writers from Goa named me before Rangakarmi.
Yeah.
Rangakarmi.
Wow.
Famous person, yeah. Ranga, dealing with the colors. Rang.
Great.
Myself and Kalanand purchased more than 6 or 7 vehicles, four-wheeler. And on all the vehicles, we have named
Wow.
Rangakarmi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So there is a beautiful quote that says, art holds up a mirror to humanity. What would you like to say about art and social awareness in Goa?
Yeah. What happens, social awareness always should be there for in every person, not only artists. Artists and writers are forerunners in this aspect, because whatever things happens around you, where you live, in the society, you are getting so many things from the society. Without society, you can't live. Whether it is bread seller, baker, whether it is fisherman, whether it is teacher or farmer, gardener, everybody, even singer, even beggar, all these people are living in the society, and we are also part of the society. We can't live alone. Human beings cannot live, men cannot live alone. Even in jungles, he was not living alone. Want other, as children also, on that touch, spurge, and sawad. Sawad means talk, share your idea. Now we can share our ideas or views, message through this mobile and all, or laptop. But that without, if we continue like this with that only, mobiles and all, they are essential. They have become part of our life all over the world. But like talking to each other. Now I'm talking to you. Thousands of audience are witnessing this program. That this talk. But unless if you are clapping and that feel I was getting, as in we are getting drama being living art. In film also, we don't get that feel.
Yes.
We cannot talk. After play gets over, drama, we go in the green room, greet them, second, best, how beautiful you're done, and that we are missing. So you are talking about, you are asking about social awareness. Actually, writers and artists are the first person to react whatever happens around. You see, I'll give you one example. In our Punda Taluka, Petwara village, Kodar, that side, that Makadamare, Manarmare were living. Their profession was only to kill the monkeys. Of course, it is long back. Now they are the fourth generation. They are living. They are not doing that. They do some other work, but that living is very hard. They are struggling. They can't feel the and they don't even get water, light, basic amenities, toilet facilities, nothing. They're living in the huts.
Yeah.
Made out of these palm leaves and other leaves, and they don't give. They get good food, and once in the rainy season, beginning of rainy season, their huts were put on fire by some elements. That's different to do, but I had a artist camp in my gallery at Ponda. My friend at that time, now late Dr. Advocate Satish Sonak, told me, Sridhar Bab, you are an artist and you are not reacting to this situation incident. So I was reading, I told message him, and all the artists who were gathered, including his sister, this one sister artist, Subodh Kekar's sister, all of us, and there stayed one day. He ate with them. We also took some sweets, mangane and eggs, bread, ate with them, danced with them, did paintings with them, photography, small drama, and with children, and they also did the painting, and it was an unusual experience, unique experience, I tell you. So that is social awareness. It is not that eggs and that mangane and sweets what we give important. It's love, the dancing with them, living with them, staying with them, sleeping on the roof of by cleaned by cow ducks, these things. That there we stayed. So it was a pleasant experience with them, and they also felt somebody is there. So it also there was very good publicity all around. Not for me, it was publicity, but for social awareness. And so many people all over around Goa rushed there, all political, and that helped them to get more food and all love, etc. Shelter. So that is the reason. So social awareness is important. Now, many times now, COVID, we begin artists should react on that. React not only talking here or writing on newspapers, but help needy people. I tell you, in my village, we all 8 members of my family had 6 months back had COVID, found positive. But all 21, 17 days, we had no problem. Villagers used to bring bhaji and fish and keep on the gate. The newspaper wala, everything we are getting very easy. Doctors also help us. And then when it happened to other people, neighbors, we also used to help them. Give that love, not giving is important, love is important. That so artists should have it much. So all the painters, I made this comment, or I said in earlier in one occasion in Guernica, that is that was it was bombarded that time, and the ill effects, the horror of war, how it finished the humanity. That was shown symbolically with gray shades on big canvas. It is a world famous painting done by Picasso, Guernica, or some say Guernica. Same way, Lakshman Paisi, he is doing paintings, he was doing paintings on nature. He was showing love of Goa. When he was in Paris or other countries, he used to draw paintings based on Goan culture, Goan heritage, Goan rivers. That smell of this land was uh, there in always in his painting through colors, lines, forms, and textures and space. So that is also social awareness, samajik jani, what we call.
Yes.
Then one nylon project was supposed to come in Ponda, Peri Hill. That time, all artists, including Pullik Naik, Ravindra Kelekar, and many reacted. They took part in hesitation. Otherwise, that would have killed the whole. So even the things which comes uh, for hindrance or against the development or progress or growth of the society we are living, not necessarily in my village or my children or my school children, students, all over world, I should say.
Yeah.
Not only the Vishwa hates in Maze Ghara,
Yes.
the whole world is our house.
Yeah.
So there was a time there were no countries. Countries mean I mean no boundaries like. So all human beings were moving in here. Now the boundaries have come everywhere. So although that is COVID-19 has come up, started from China, now it has spread all over the world.
Yes.
And many countries are helping each other by giving money, crores of rupees, then vaccine sharing from their own country to another. And our prime minister also leave aside politics, but he's not giving more fund to Gujarat or more fund to Maharashtra or Delhi. It is distributed everywhere. That's why we are surviving, we are living. Okay, so we artists also should have that tendency, should have that character, should have that nature, that intimacy to help each other in whatever way possible. And social only we see that on papers, newspapers, when you do some write-ups or poetry or some interviews, you see that social awareness is there. Somebody is doing this thing and this thing, and then some clubs like Rotary Club are doing help. NGOs are helpful, but artists are directly or indirectly contributing so many, and that is social awareness. All should have that social awareness, but artists should have more social awareness. Then we can say that we are real human beings. We have developed our personality. Now, otherwise, all these paintings, making money, exhibition, awards are useless, I will say. Because without man, human being, we cannot live. Now you are taking my interview. Organizers, Mr. Savio, his friends, other companions, so many are involved there. That's why I can talk to this my friends, audience, and all they are all are witnessing all over the world. So that way we cannot live alone.
Yes, certainly, sir.
That is social awareness.
Yes, you are a living example of that actually.
Thank
And
you.
we all know you for your social consciousness, not only through art, but in real life also, through all the activities that you do for the society. You are a great
And for that, I tell
inspiration.
you, drama is the best medium
Okay.
to show your social awareness. Means to show through art.
Yes.
Painting also it is possible, cartoons it is possible, film also it is possible, video it is possible, songs it is possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Although you have given one beautiful message of humanity through the previous question, the next question I would like to ask you is, what would be your advice to the aspiring artists?
admiring artist.
Aspiring artists, those who want
Aspiring.
to pursue art.
So I am not that big personality to give a message or advice, but still, what I will say, they may take as advice. As I said in my earlier question also, don't do any work for making money. Money is necessary. So there are two thoughts, isms like that: art for living and art for art's sake. Art for art's sake and art for living. In our Indian language, I would say जगण्यासाठी कला आणि म्हणजे जीवनासाठी कला आणि कलेसाठी कला. So I feel that both these thoughts should go together. See, now if I want to make a painting or a theater production, I want money to buy canvas, colors. Okay, so many expenses. It is painting is the most expensive art in today's world. And when I do exhibition, it is for audience to see, that's true, but buyers and art collectors buy it for particular amount.
Yeah.
There, it is not like a business. It is not dhandho. It is not like commercial. But I am sharing my expression through my colors, these colors, tones, texture, through canvas, through exhibition, through a painting. And for that, in return, she or he, buyer, giving me. So I should get, that doesn't mean that if I quote 50,000 or 1 lakh, she should not give me 100 or 500 like that. That's why that amount is good. Of course, bargaining is necessary. Here also, through paintings, if we get good amount, we can utilize it for the growth and development of downtrodden. We did that time. The painting photographs which were sold, that 60% amount was given them in not cash kind. It was given to them. Frequently, we have given to them. So that is the so message. Don't do it for your satisfaction. Art. It is samadhana to get aesthetic pleasure. That at the time also I told you to get that Brahmanand Sahoda, aesthetic delight, satisfaction. And then when onlooker see the painting, looks at it, witness it, they will get also satisfaction. For that, my guru, my sir, my principal, is no more now. I told you, my dearest Lakshman Pai sir used to always say, do it for your satisfaction, to satisfy your heart, your mind. Okay, to satisfy your soul.
Yes.
And he also said in his book, also that volume, that he has devoted that book to unseen energy, invisible energy. I believe that Adrushya Shakti is there. That invisible energy is there. That believing that is most important, whether you believe in God or not. Not important. But something that controls everything. I firmly believe in that. And that is the reason I can do something for growth of my society, for my personal growth. It is automatically, once I give something to somebody, 5%, I get 50% back. That is my expense. Really, I'm talking, I'm not posting. I don't know what it is. It's not miracle. It is something true. It's a reality. So reality is also art. Realism is the art. Real art is not real, but you create it something like that. The people feel like real. Drama in Natak also, it is make believe. In drama, actor is not doing the real thing there. So if you want to show fire, or if you want to show you are killing somebody, Okay, you should kill really on the stage. What will happen? Chaos. So you should do acting in such a way that audience should feel that really that character has killed another character.
Yeah.
So that is the thing. So it is not real, it is realism. So we should live a life with realism, not only fantasy. Hmm?
Yeah. So thank you so much for sharing the beautiful insights on several aspects of art, life, and I'm sure all our viewers will be inspired listening to you.
Before you put a curtain on this program, I would like to thank Mr. Savio, my good friend, and his companion, and the entire team. You are this global, it is really global. It has the regional flavor, but it is global. That Vaishvikta, globalization is there and it is necessary. So in my talk also I said, unknowingly or maybe deliberately, that Vishwa hi Echimagata. So we should be global now. That stage is coming, and the duty of the artists, writers, playwrights, and people like you. And I am also very thankful to you, my dear, that you asked me very brilliant questions, and which made me, in fact, you had sent me questions well in advance, but I could not read them. It was good because I have not prepared anything, I have not tried anything. Whatever coming spontaneously, that I tried to express and put before you an answer. So once again, thank you very much. And also my viewers, uh, thank you so much for witnessing this program. God bless you. Stay blessed, stay safe, take care, and I pray to Almighty God that may this COVID-19, and we also say, go away, Corona, go away, Corona, go away. It will go.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for the words of appreciation. And you also acknowledged the questions. I would like to say that it was the team effort of the Global
Yeah,
Goan
team
Art
members.
Club.
Yeah, sure,
Yes,
sure.
yes. So thank you for your valuable time and sharing your knowledge selflessly with us. I would also like to say thank you to all the lovely viewers, and the Global Goan Art Club always strives to bring forth the talent of Goa that will go a long way in encouraging the young minds. And I'm sure through these episodes, you all are learning a lot. Stay tuned to this channel for the next episode of Different Strokes. Thank you.
Thank you.